After registration, the profile is 10% completed. Personal information. Kindly review the details inputted by you during registration. The same details will be printed on your application form. In case of any discrepancy, you can contact our admission expert on the help desk email ID. Kindly select the location from where you completed your 12th grade. If you are an OCI PIO card holder, then you need to select the country of your card. Additional information. Input additional details like citizenship, date of birth, address of where you are currently staying, and passport details. If you are from Nepal and you do not have your passport, then you can input your country ID card details. Please save the details before proceeding. Guardian information. Input your details of the sponsor parent information. This information is required to keep them updated about the admission process. Educational information. You have to input their grade 10, 11, 12 details if applying for bachelor's program. If you want to apply for master's program, then have to input graduation details as well. Students have to input all the details of respective school. The university can get in touch with your school for any further information it requires. You can input either the marks or the grades depending on the type of details mentioned in your mark sheet. You will have to follow the same process for grade 11 and for grade 12. Sports and hobbies. This is extra information collected by the university so that we can refer you for any extracollegiate festival. Transcript. Kindly note that you have to upload all original documents. In case the uploaded document is not in English, then you also need to upload the translated copy of the same document. You are requested to refer to the description of each document for more clarity. In case you are uploading an online copy of your mark sheet, then ensure the same is attested by your respective school. If you want to upload additional documents, then you can use the Add More tab. Once you are done with documents upload, you can view your application form by clicking on Preview Letter. An application form will be downloaded where you can check and verify your details.